how to build a basic กระทง We will use a slice of a watermelon and banana tree leaf, some flowers, marigold, orchids, and amaranth, a candle, and the incense sticks. First peel off the banana leaf. You fold in half, reopen it, and then we start folding from the right side. Fold it at a 45-degree angle. Fold it again so that the edge aligns with the center. And then we do the same on the left side. And then hold the leaf with the tip facing up like this. Then fold the bottom inwards like this. And then attach it with a staple. We will make more of them. This is what we have. We place the banana leaf on the edge of the กระทง and attach it by using a pin like this. And we do the same with the other leaf. Now we are going to decorate our กระทง. Decorate the tip. Next step, placing the candle and the incense sticks at the center of the กระทง. Alright, this is our finished กระทง.